Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: code ready, domain purchased, and hosting chosen. Initialize your repository and set up continuous integration. This ensures every push produces a deployable artifact. Once done, configure DNS basics, set TTL low to speed testing, and provision your server or hosting plan. You push a first test build to the environment to validate credentials and connectivity. Make sure to store keys securely and record environment variables, so deployments run reproducibly and safely. Now you perform the core deployment. Transfer artifacts or trigger your CI/CD pipeline and watch the logs for errors. Install runtime dependencies and run database migrations. These change the app state, so schedule downtime if needed. Configure the web server settings and set environment variables for secrets and API endpoints. Once the deployment completes, run smoke tests against the staging URL and confirm SSL is active. If tests pass, promote the build to production using the same reproducible process. Finish by validating production traffic, watching logs, and enabling monitoring and alerts so you catch regressions quickly. Perform a quick functional check and rerun any post-deploy jobs, then update DNS records if you hadn't before. Make sure backups and a rollback plan are in place. Tag the working release and know the command to redeploy it. If things go wrong, first inspect server logs, file permissions, and DNS cache. These 3 common issues resolve most deployment failures fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.